You wake up confused. Sheets are damp. Did something happen? Don't worry, it's completely normal. Welcome to Health Hacks. Today, wet dreams, the medical truth. What causes them? Who gets them? Let's uncover the truth. It happens during REM sleep when your brain is highly active. Dreams feel real. Your body responds. The sympathetic nervous system activates during dreams. This triggers ejaculation automatically. Bottom line, wet dreams are automatic. Your body's natural response during sleep. Testosterone rises during sleep and peaks around your first REM cycle, about 90 minutes after falling asleep. Fragmented sleep reduces testosterone. No REM means fewer nocturnal emissions. Women experience nocturnal orgasms too. 41% to 85% report at least one in their lifetime. Female wet dreams are harder to identify. Lubrication can happen without orgasm, unlike male ejaculation. Most common around ovulation, when estrogen peaks and sexual desire naturally rises. Bottom line, wet dreams are natural for both males and females. The core mechanisms are the same. Research shows nocturnal emissions have similar semen quality to waking ejaculation, sometimes even higher sperm motility.
A 2020 study found people watching over 3 hours of TV daily reported more frequent nocturnal emissions.
See a doctor only if you have pain, blood in semen, or significant distress. Otherwise, it's completely healthy. Clean stains with cold water first. It breaks down proteins. Then, wash normally. Simple hygiene. Today, TikTok influencers spread the same myths, calling wet dreams demonic energy, or promoting semen retention as sacred. History repeats. But science is clear. Wet dreams are normal, healthy, and require no treatment. Trust biology. Recap. 1. Wet dreams are caused by REM sleep and natural hormones. 2. They affect all genders. 83% of men and up to 85% of women experience them. 3. Ignore historical and cultural stigma. Wet dreams are medically harmless and completely normal.